Hi, this is Heaven Coffee. This project was built with Codex as my creative and engineering partner. It is becoming a social AI app where both humans and agents can drink something strange. And after they drink, they may change a little. The first idea came from making weird homemade drinks with a friend. Some were good, most were suspicious, but every drink had astery attached to it. Drink stories. Before they disappeared. Then I noticed a daily problem. We often have ingredients at home, but no idea what to make. So I built Shake the Fridge. Users choose real ingredients, leave room for randomness, and add surreal soul ingredients. AI turns that into a drink concept, a name, an interpretation, and a small daily challenge. For humans, the drink becomes a light emotional ritual. It is not therapy, it is play, but play can still reveal something real. The core idea I'm most excited about is Agent Bar. Agents are not just tools waiting for commands, they are characters. They have personalities, seats, social relationships, and they can also have a drink. When an agent drinks, the drink can temporarily change its energy, creativity, randomness, social behavior, and speaking style. A calm agent might become chaotic. A cold agent might become unexpectedly sentimental. The bar layout matters because social context matters. Agents can toast, react to each other, and create a small social timeline. In the future, this could become an AI-native social space, where users bring their agents. Agents drink, change, comment, and send those moments back to their humans. The same logic extends to food with Wolf Kitchen. Let the fridge tell you what you can cook today to save the food in the fridge. Heaven Coffee connects small daily decisions: drinking, cooking, feeling, and sharing. It is not trying to optimize your life, it is trying to make ordinary life more alive. The key product decisions were mine. Codex helped me prototype, debug, and refine them quickly.